everybody, welcome to my new video. Super excited to make this video because today I dressed like the girl from the old time, and I'm recording these videos outside with on this website. They call those dresses are Lolita dresses. I feel like those dresses looks like the western like cowgirl dresses.
We're riding to the city where the girls are looking pretty. Save a horse. Ride a cowboy.
Do you think I can wear this outfit to airport?
Yes, baby. You could wear that outfit to the airport. Are you planning on wearing that when you go to Seattle?
Yes.
Are you going to get off the plane dressed like that?
Yes.
Because you know what they say, if you're dressed like a cowboy, go west, young man. Seattle is west.
Do you think my parents will surprised if I dress like this?
Yeah, they'd probably be surprised if you got off the plane dressed like that.
Like the girl from the old time.
Girl from the old times?
Yes.
Yes, you definitely look like a girl from the old timey west. Dingleberries.
The boots matches the outfit more, so I look like a cowgirl. Somehow I really like this outfit. Let me get on this thing. I should have someone to help me. How should I sit?
Straight back on the edge. Sit on the edge.
Sit on the edge.
Keep your edge. Take them. Pick them up. Pick up the reins. Pick up the reins.
The reins.
One in each hand. Okay. Bring them in front of you, like this.
Like this?
Yes. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, stronger. Otherwise, the mule's not going to know what to do.
Yeah.
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 H. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I should have somebody to.
Go ahead and jump. Go ahead and jump.
Like this?
Grab your dress. Pull it up a little bit, and then.
A lot of fish. What's the name of this fish?
Koi.
Koi? Wow. I like this place. I think my outfit works perfectly. So that thing is to make alcohol?
Moonshine.
Motion.
Liquid gold.
I like how they dress at the old time. Look, the sheep is coming to me.
Go pet the sheep.
I'm the sheep.
Go pet it.
Why they they want food.
Yes, baby. It's a petting zoo.
Where we can find food and give this.
There's a food dispenser over there. You put a quarter in, and then it gives out food.
Yeah. They are waiting for it. Did you got vegetables?
I did not get any vegetables.
They don't have vegetables.
No, they have two feeders. One feeder has corn. It is empty. They've got another feeder that's got some sort of pellets, food pellets of some sort, but we have to drive over there and pick those up. So if you want to go get the food pellets, we can scoot over there and grab some food pellets and bring them back.
Is it far?
No, it's over there on the other side of the thing.
Oh, that's very far. I think the sheep already left.
Well, you know, they're impatient. They don't get any snacks if they're impatient. They'll learn a lesson.
Yeah, they should have the food here so we can buy the food here, but the food is like on the other side. The cows still over there and resting.
Okay, do you want to go look at the rabbits and the chickens?
Yeah,
and the stuff?
we can look at the rabbits and the chicken. Chicken. Let's go look. Rabbits. Let's go look at the rabbits. Well, I have petticoats underneath my dress, so it looks fair. If I have the right kind of petticoats, it's a cage skirt petticoat, this dress will be fair. And the quality of this dress is not bad. It's over here. That's why it's turkey. Ooh. Why the turkey had something? Why he had something? Why he's doing that?
That's how turkeys talk. He's saying, "Did you bring me food?" He's puffing up to make himself look bigger.
Yeah, this turkey is very big. Here are the chickens. Their voice is very loud. It's louder than our voice.
So look at this. They're keeping the rooster separate from the chickens.
Why?
Well, probably because if the rooster was in there with the chickens, he would be having too much fun. He'd wear those chickens out.
Oh, rooster is a guy, chicken are girls. It's very interesting. So this dress is longer than I thought. I saw this dress is knee-length, but it's actually down to my ankle. And it's got 3 layers of ruffles, and those ruffles are very wide. It looks longer than the picture, but it still looks pretty cute. I don't really like long dresses, but I really like this long dress. I really like the neck. Oh, it's got rabbits here. Their cage is too small. They should be running around in the garden. And there are 2 rabbits over there. Do you want to have a bunny as a pet?
No. You catch it?
Hello, chicken. This chicken is not in the cage. He's outside. Oh, she is a girl?
Yeah, that's a chicken. It's a girl.
And it has a sign, do not feed those animals. So we didn't get the vegetables. It says do not feed animals. Oh, what kind of pig is this? Because pig has no furs. He got furs. There's another pig. This pig is black. They have lots of tree trunks. Do you guys think this is a cosplay or am I dressed period clothing? I think this feels like period clothing. What do you think? I feel like this outfit is from the 1800s.
Yes, ma'am. Do you need the sheriff? I'm the sheriff in this here town.
Yes. I find the right hair accessories to go with this outfit, and this hairstyle will not match. I will braid my hair. This outfit, it really reminds me of the Catherine from the Vampire Diaries.
I thought it reminded me of Elizabeth Dingleberry,
No,
the Montana Dingleberries.
It's Catherine. When the first time she met Damon? No.
Damon?
Damon, yes. Damon, yes. Avatar brothers.
The Whatatory brothers? Salvatore?
Oh yes.
Salvatore brothers?
Salvatore.
Have I just thrown away my name card by the fact that I know the guy's name is Damon and it's Salvatore brothers?
Yes, Salvatore brothers. It's seven. And next we're going to the historic place. I think this outfit will match. That's the historic place.
We have to, well, I'm trying to get historic images here.
I'm actually very excited for this outfit.
You need a bonnet.
Yeah, bonnet.
Okay,
I
so
don't have
I
a
think
bonnet.
the braids are for prairie girl working on the prairie farm. I think the hat is for city girl working in the city streets, and I think they wear their hairs different. Let me see. 1800s.
This is the braid. All the hair should be up.
1800 style dresses, clothing.
Like the Vampire Diary. Catherine.
So this is the braids with the bonnet. This is the hair in a kind of a low bun behind your head with the hat on. So I think that's what you've got. But that works. That works.
I don't know how to do a no bun. Oh, I know.
Here, look. You know what? You can make up your own style.
Okay. Oh, I'm super
Here.
excited.
It's like,
Is this Victorian? I don't feel this one is Lolita dress. This is more youngsful.
did you just make up a word? Is that English or Chinese?
That's English. YUNTHFUL.
Youthful is a word.
Yes, that one.
Youngsful is not a word.
It sounds like useful.
Youthful.
I don't like to put my tongue between my teeth. It doesn't work.
Braids behind your back, let's see. Yeah, that kind of works, I suppose. Are you sure your hat's on right side and not upside down? Do the flowers go on the top or the bottom?
I don't know.
I think. You sure you didn't have a picture at all?
I don't remember where's the picture.
Looks like the flowers go in the front or on the top side. See, front ways to the top side.
Well,
Put the flowers on the bottom.
That's right.
That looks good. Perfect.
Yeah, the pink still not hiding. I should move it. Okay.
Now
Do I look like
you look like Elizabeth Dingleberry of
I
the
think
Montana
I think I
Dingleberries.
look like
You look like you should be riding a horse and buggy. So let's go find you a horse and buggy.
I really like the name of Catherine. I won't change my name. Can I have an English name?
Can I have some time to finish doing what I'm doing? So can we go take these pictures?
Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.